Some call it the largest machine on the planet, and one of the great marvels of the modern world. While parts of the grid are hiding in plain sight, its presence is felt the most when the lights go out. Many cities employ a fleet of backup generators that must be ready at a moment's notice to go into service. Emergency generators are a necessary part of a city's backup power system. However, they also come with a specific set of maintenance challenges. One such challenge is the long-term storage of the diesel fuel required to power the generators. Typically, the fuel is stored in dedicated tanks and can sit stagnant for months or years. This storage practice raises a number of issues for maintenance and reliability. Moisture and condensation in the fuel may prevent generators from starting and running effectively. Algae and microbial contamination, which is made worse with moisture, will plug filters. Ambient dust and dirt enters through the tank breathers, causing wear to the pump and injectors and reducing their lifespan. Many jurisdictions stipulate using biodiesel, which has a greater affinity for water, so the associated problems are compounded. One alternative to annual fuel polishing is installing an offline or kidney loop filtration system to your emergency backup fuel tank. The offline system works in parallel with the inline system and presents a number of added advantages. Increased dirt holding capacity, continuous removal of water, microbial, and particle contamination, increased fine filtration to 3 micron absolute, 6 to 12 month service interval between filter changes, and ultimately lower total operating costs. Essentially, with the offline filter, you get round-the-clock continuous diesel polishing and increased reliability for critical systems. Emergency backup power is an essential pillar of municipal safety systems. By adding an offline kidney loop filter to your fuel systems, you'll continue to add peace of mind to your reliability and maintenance departments. In the event of power failure, emergency services such as fire, police, and hospitals will give you the assurance that their backup power is going to work and going to work well.